girls, today you're going to be making a hieroglyphic little charm here. This is called a cartouche. And in Egypt, if you ever saw the shape of the cartouche, that would mean that it was the name of a pharaoh. And so we are going to be making a little charm, but you're actually going to be doing it on shrinky-dink plastic. And believe it or not, I drew this originally on a piece of plastic that was this big, and I shrunk it down to this. It's amazing. So we're actually going to be giving you a piece of plastic that's even bigger than this one. It's going to be this long, pretty awesome. And you are going to draw your cartouche, and then you are going to put some direction, or put your hieroglyphics into it. Now the hieroglyphics were symbols used by the Egyptians. So the N would have been this hat of Lower Egypt, this crown. Both the V and the W were the same little chick symbol. You don't have to color it in the same way that they have, but you can. And don't panic if you don't like how you draw it. You're going to be shrinking it down. You're not going to see a lot of the symbols. And just imagine what it was like when they were carving these out of stone. If they were and they messed up, it wasn't like they threw the whole major piece of rock away. They would just kind of figure out how to make it look better. So boys and girls, the first thing you're going to be doing is taking the plastic and you're going to be rubbing sandpaper over it just to kind of rough it up a little. Then you need to draw a cartouche. You can see right here that these are some different styles of cartouches. There's a little thing up in the top there that shows you how to do it little by little, but it's not hard. It's basically just drawing a big long oval with something kind of cute down there on the bottom. Now right here in a minute, you're going to see Alex beginning to draw. Now it's sped up a little bit, but she's doing a great job of just drawing her cartouche. You can see that she did the oval around the outside. Now she's doing the rope. The cartouche was a symbol of a rope. And so it's supposed to be like a rope that's going around and is tied off on the bottom. Now what she's doing is finding her name. Now her name is Alex. So the first thing she did was find the A, which is a vulture. Then she found the L, which is a lion. Now notice that even the amazing artist Alex drew a lion that was large, and she went, oh no, it's too big. And she said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to have it be that the lion goes off the edge of the cartouche. That's exactly right. If you draw something and you think that you've completely messed up or whatever, just try and figure out a better way to fix it. Than giving up, because it just takes forever then. Now what she's starting to do is color in each of the hieroglyphics, and you'll notice that she started using gold. I'm going to show you in a minute the rules of using a gold pen, because we're going to be using gold a lot this week. But you'll notice that she first started coloring in with the gold, and then she started using the colored pencils. At the very end, we'll shrink it. It could be that you will not see yours being shrunk, but we will eventually add it on to your necklace. Now, if you accidentally draw the wrong letter, don't worry. There are going to be very few people who can read these hieroglyphics anyway, so it's kind of very forgiving if you mess up. So just have fun. Here's what it looks like once it gets heated up, and have a great time.